buys houses, and I just wanted to take you guys and show you our latest flip that we have done. We bought this house from a homeowner who got in to a situation where she couldn't do the repairs. She ended up buying a new house and just moving into that and getting what she wanted, but she just didn't want to deal with the repairs at all. So what she did is she called us. We came over, we looked at the property, we negotiated a sale price that she could live with and that, you know, met her needs and was a fair value for the property. And we went ahead and bought the house, and then we renovated it. So we did a little bit to the house, and I want to show you guys what this is. This is 3204 Sussex Drive in Hopewell, Virginia, and we did a pretty nice job on this house, and I want to show you what we did. So it's just getting listed today, and I'll show you that our buddy John Devers is the one that's going to sell this house for us quickly. So this is the way it turned out. I think it turned out really, really nice. Let's see, what did we do? So what we did on the outside is we added shutters, we trimmed up the trees, we power washed the house, we painted the foundation, and we replaced all the exterior doors on the house. And as we go inside, I'll show you what we've done in there. So what we did is, obviously, you know, Dealer with Dealer Design LLC staged this house. She stages all of our houses because she's my wife and I love her and she's awesome at it. And so we did the hardwood floors, we did all the light fixtures to LED, painted everything. Let's see, we redid the kitchen. We didn't do the whole kitchen. I think we've shown in an earlier video that we reused the existing cabinets because, in my opinion, they're beautiful. They're better than anything you can buy, that's a fact. And they're gonna give somebody a lot of enjoyment. So went with black appliances because there were already some there. We did laminate floor, we did a granite called New Caledonia. The lady said that it would blend well with these cabinets, and it did. So white subway tile with a pewter color non-sanding grout, nice bright LED light for the back. And we'll come in here real quick, I'll show you this. Utility closet. So what we did is we closed this up with OSB plywood. We did a panel change to a new circuit breaker panel board, and that's what we did in here, and a new exterior door and door frame. So this also has my favorite sink, which is the huge sink with the garbage disposal. And then, so this is the view of the dining room. And then we walk around and we can see another view of the staging. So then we'll walk down this hallway and we'll see that this is a 3-bedroom house. This is the first of the 3. And this has got the hardwood floors all the way through the house. This whole wall drywall is new. This is a new wall drywall ceiling, and this is a new wall. We did new sliding doors for the closet here, and they're actually really nice and they're light, they're user-friendly, and they have a track on the bottom and the top so they don't swing. The air conditioning system was already here, so we already did it, as was the windows. So we got the same floor as in the bathroom. So we gutted this entire room, went down to the studs. So we gutted the whole thing and put a new 4-piece shower, bathtub combination, new toilet, and new vanity, and a nice big mirror, and new vent, new exhaust vent, and Adela has also done her touches in here. Okay, and then come over here and you can see this is the 2nd bedroom, and we carry the same lighting all throughout the house. And then this has got the bifold type door system for this closet. And so then this is the master. And so in the master suite, Dealer put the queen size bed. You can see that it's got the nice ceiling fan in there, running a little fast for my taste. but we can always fix that. So you just come here, oops, wrong one. All right, come here, turn that down a little bit, and then we can see we have the large enough master closet, and beautiful, big enough for a nice queen size mattress, nice nightstand. Somebody's gonna love this house. And then of course we have the nice hardwood floors all the way through the house. So, it's a beautiful house, right? I think this turned out really nice. Took us about a month and a half of real work to get this done. Kind of farted around with it for a little bit, but you know, it turned out good. The shutters turned out nice. The neighborhood is really, really nice. All the neighbors are real appreciative of us, you know, improving the property. Everybody comes by to say hello, and it's just awesome. So you're in Hopewell, or anywhere in Richmond for that matter, and you need to sell your house, you know, this is what we're gonna do to it. We're gonna take it, we're gonna make it beautiful and allow somebody else to have memories and raise a family in it. All right, so I appreciate you guys for coming on this video tour. We'll look out here, we'll peek at the back real quick. I'll show you what we did out here. So I had this big, huge rotten out deck, okay? It was a piece of crap. So what we did is we just took the whole thing out and we just put a nice safe deck porch right here. So we can walk out and you can walk down these steps that were hidden underneath the original piece of crap. And then you can go out to your nice partially fenced backyard with a shed that needs a little bit of love. But, you know, somebody told me early on in my career that you got to leave something for the new homeowners to do, and that's one of their jobs. All right, so y'all, thank you for paying attention. And if you want a cupcake, get with Adela. And she knows where to get these cupcakes. They're really, really beautiful, and they never go bad. So y'all take care, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.